Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account to this device or from this device. So at first find and select settings, then locate and click on users and accounts, and now click on add account. As it's about Google, click on mail and provide. Actually, here we've got Gmail. Go back. And here we've got Gmail, so you can smoothly tap on Gmail and provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. And now it's time to enter the password. So let me do it off the screen. Once the password is entered, tap on next. Actually sign in. Let me save it. And now, as you can see, you can manage your access, your Google account access. So here, go for all the options and tap on allow if you wish to allow all the features. Now you've got a notification that it has been done properly, and then it disappeared and you can smoothly use Google over here. So that's it. If you wish to remove your Google account, just open your mail accounts, tap on the account that you wish to remove, and tap on sign out. And from now on, it is no longer connected. As you can see, now you can only sign in. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.